This video lecture will walk you through finding a confidence interval that estimates a population standard deviation using your calculator. The difference between this video and the previous one is in this video the original data set is given instead of the summary statistics. A simple random sample of Tombstone pepperoni pizzas is selected and the number of slices of pepperoni on each pizza is given below. Assume that slices of pepperoni on a pizza are normally distributed. Find a 95% confidence interval estimate for the standard deviation of slices of pepperoni on all Tombstone pepperoni pizzas. And again, we're just going to write a statement that correctly interprets the results, and phase 1 is a statement that correctly interprets the results out of the 3 phases. So what we're going to do is go ahead and enter the data into one of the lists of our calculator. Stat followed by edit, and you see I've entered this data in advance. Then we're going to again go into the program menu, and we're going to select the program that's going to find our confidence interval, which is S2int. We're going to hit enter to run that program. Now the next thing we're going to need to do is go through and tell the calculator the variance of this list of data. Now in order to do that, as we see here, we're going to have to go into the list feature. So that means we're going to hit second, followed by stat, and then move over to the math submenu. And notice option number 8, which fits on my screen, is variance. So select that, and then make sure, you must always make sure you tell it the appropriate list name, list 1, and then we can go ahead and hit enter. Now the sample size is going to be 11 because there were 11 data values. You know this by going back up and counting them. So as I can get my scrolling here, we count up that there are 11 data values right here. We'll hit enter. Confidence level 0.95, and we'll hit enter. Now this could take a little while. Remember, this will move on the top right corner. I think this works really quick because I'm using a computer behind it. Then we'll have to hit enter one extra time here. And now we have our appropriate confidence interval. Now keep in mind, if necessary, press the left or right key to scroll through your answer to read it. Now the original data set had no decimals, so our final answer will have 1 decimal place. So 4.0 slices, and then we also have 10.2 slices for our upper boundary. And then I went through and wrote phase 1 here, which is a statement that correctly interprets a confidence interval. When we're done with the calculator, we'll make sure we press enter so it says done on the bottom right corner, and this concludes this video.